Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the battery and confirming the tool is dead to prevent accidental spin. Once done, put on gloves and glasses. Safety matters because the blade is sharp. Use a 3/8 wrench to hold the arbor or remove the retaining nut. This stabilizes the head so the blade won't turn. Make sure to note blade orientation and any washers or spacers as you remove them. Keeping parts in order makes reassembly fast and prevents imbalance when you reinstall the new blade. With the head supported, loosen the retaining nut. You may need to hold the shaft with one hand and turn the wrench with the other. Once the nut and washer are off, lift the old blade straight away to avoid nicking mating surfaces. Inspect the arbor and threads for burrs or wear and clean them with a cloth. Debris or damage causes wobble. Compare the new blade to the old for direction and mounting holes. Matching orientation prevents reverse cutting and improves cutting efficiency when you reinstall it. You mount the replacement blade in the same orientation, slipping any spacers and the washer back into place. Then hand thread the nut to avoid cross-threading. Use the wrench to torque to the manufacturer's spec or snugly tighten, not overly tight, so the blade sits flat. Once reinstalled, reconnect the battery and test run at low speed while standing clear. Listen for noise and watch for wobble. If you see vibration, stop, retorque. Verify spacers and washer placement, and inspect the arbor for damage before resuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.